if you want to see how I go from this snappy mess to this, then go ahead and stay tuned. So you're going to want to start off with wet or damp hair, and you want to pick your favorite detangler. This one is mine. It literally takes 5 seconds, y'all. It's so quick, so easy. I love it. Look how quick I'm detangling my hair, y'all. My hair is so tangled too. I haven't even detangled it in like a month, and I'm just able to slip my fingers right through. You do get some knots, but you know how to work your way through that. Also, I will be listing all of the products down in the description in detail. So if you have any questions about the products, just check the description down below. Okay, so this is what it looks like on one half detangled and the other not. And y'all, you just want to start off with parting your hair, obviously. Let's get your part. That's how I like mine. And when I'm doing my slick back ponytails, I do section off my hair so it can make it a little bit easier and lay flatter. So you're going to want to use a hair tie, Eco Styler, and some oil. And my oil is by WEUNIKCOSMETICS. Y'all, they're the bomb. It smells so freaking good. Like, as you can see, so good. But I'm going to list all of their information in the description. And when I say they're so healthy, it's so healthy for your hair. So healthy. So shout out to them. And I'll put all of their information down below. After I applied the oil, I go ahead and put some Eco Styler on. Use my denim brush to get rid of any lumps and bumps so it will lay smooth. And then secure it off with the hair tie. And I will be doing the same to the other 2 sections in the front of my head as well. Now we're going to secure it off, but when we secure it, we're not going to put it in a ponytail. We do a bun. That way the ponytail will be able to grip onto it. And then I'm going with my little baby hair brush, and I am slicking down all of my hairs, shaping them. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, as you guys can see. So I'm using Freetress Drawstring Ponytail in Bohemian Fro in the color 1B. It was only $11.99, y'all, and it looks so natural. You will see. Just wait. Trust the process, okay? And this is what the ponytail comes with, the hairnet, and it's really spacious, and it has 2 little combs and a drawstring. So we're gonna comb it into our hair and then pull the drawstring tight. So now it's time for bed. So I'm going to tie the scarf away, and then I'm going to take a blow dryer and blow dry it as dry as possible before I go to sleep. Believe it or not, if your hair is still damp in the ponytail, it will shift and move with type 4 hair. So yeah, you might want to do that, girl. Okay, so good morning. I'm being extra, of course. So I'm going to take out my scarf, and we're just going to basically do everything we did yesterday, but touching up. And don't make this mistake I did. I put on the scarf that I use when I do my makeup sometimes, and it left makeup on my hair, but I got it out. But yeah, you just want to touch up any spots in your hair, your edges, all that stuff, and fluff the ponytail. And you guys will see that I do that throughout the video. Okay, thank you all for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!